Well, we have a pretty reasonable amount of defense. Never mind. Never mind. Wait, what? This isn't that much room. I mean, this is really good. This interaction opens up a lot of doors for them, so their range is actually quite wide. I guess they're just trying to go for lethal here. Did they hit? Probably. Guess I should have played around it. What do you think about anomalies? They're a massive mistake the first time. They're a massive mistake this time. It's not a really uncommon opinion. So. What are we doing right now? Why didn't I bounce? It's so bad for the game, injecting more RNG. Yeah, that's what we've been saying the last week. You're not really like, yeah, you're preaching to the choir. I don't think it's really worth discussing unless like you just want to complain. But I don't think that's like an unreasonable thing for Twitch chat. How did you discover Hearthstone Pizza? I used to play a lot of Magic, and it kind of operates in the same card game space since they were advertising at different events, and we would play in tournaments, and everyone would laugh at the concept of Hearthstone. And then a couple of Magic players started winning Hearthstone tournaments, and we decided that there's no way we could let them get away with that, with all that money on their own. I want the coin. I don't have the coin. What's up? Stop. It's alright. And the rest is history. Oh. Alright, give me a 2-drop. It's not what I asked for. Bellowing Flames. Valorock, we're just going to draw our deck backwards. Even though this is supposed to make our draws more fluid. Okay. I guess that makes up for it, right?